We are here. The mountain is high. Look at this.
Far away somewhere.
Far away. Up high too, like real high.
I was more calm flying the drone than flying the wing.
Shut up.
I swear.
Nice.
I'm not even shitting you. Like we're flying the wing, because I don't have so much money on the line. I'm shaking.
Hello and welcome. We are doing long range. Today is the 1st of August, 2021. I mean, I really am nervous about this. This ain't no joke. Some serious business right now. Thousands of dollars in the air right now. Thousands. You know what I'm saying? But we're flying. You gotta be smart about it. There's a path that goes and splits the mountain. So we want to go kind of up this area and then kind of ride the tops of the mountains. You follow what I'm saying? Ride the tops of the mountains. We don't want to go down below this ridge here because we're gonna lose signal. We want to be up and just kind of like go this whole little area here. And that's far, dude. That's far. We're gonna wing.
Sir.
The wing of justice. Oh, I'm so freaking nervous. We need to stay facing the right direction. Oh my gosh.
Hey, you're nervous, I'm nervous. We both gonna be nervous.
I know. Well, you running 50 or 25?
I'm at 25.
So I'm just gonna kind of go up on the right here.
On the right?
I'm going towards the water tower. And there's a little path right here, so I'm gonna take this path. Holy cow, that water tower is far. And somebody's walking by us. Hello. Oh yeah, that water tower is hella far. So I'm gonna turn to the left and go towards that little crest, but I'm actually in front of the water tower. I'm in front of the water tower. Are you moving around?
Yeah, I'm right here. I'm like in front of the water tower.
Me too. I see it. Let me see if I see you. There's somebody around us or what?
Yeah, there's a lady. Who's walking up?
Let me come back over here.
Alright, I'm coming back. I'm back closer. Are you over it?
What's close to us?
Huh?
Was somebody walking around us or is that you making noise?
Nah, there's nobody here now. There's a lady here.
There was a lady here?
Yeah.
Where did she go?
She left.
What do you mean she left?
She walked up the hill.
We got all our stuff out. Anyways.
Now she went down
No way.
to the bike.
Which way?
I lost fucking kid.
Did you return to home or anything? Which way? Close or far? Oh no, he said his went down.
Because I kept going, I keep pulling up, and there's nothing on the spot.
I should have gotten more. I should have gone straight there. Now my battery's a little low. So can we hike there, or? Bro? This. Whoa. Dang, bro. I'm sorry. I'll help you find it here in a minute. Look at this view. Can you see the drone at all? Can you see the drone at all? Yeah. Shit's crazy, bro. It's not good. I went all the way over that mountain. Oh, I see the people. They're like, what the heck is that? It's still connected? Well, can you want to start walking towards it, or?
Yeah, start walking towards it.
So is this straight down this path, or like, fuck, dude?
Okay.
It's up this way? Straight this way? By the water tower? Dang. I should have flight time on here because I know I can get quite a bit of flight time. Oh, there's a person right here. Dang, I don't see. Was it on the path or what? Oh, look at that dive right there. Okay, I'm not talking, sorry. Let's cut in. All right, so we got this water tower here. You can see how pretty it looks. Let's kind of get a little bit of speed as we come down this ravine or ridge line here. I'm not going too far. See, because on the OSD, see how we lose it up? Give it a little bit of throttle, get it up a little bit. You know, because we had that ridge right there. This ridge right here, this is the line right here where it could just be messed up. And there's a person walking there. The person that was walking earlier scared me. Because you can be getting robbed right now. Nobody knows. Because you need a real visual observer. Where's Richie at? There's Richie. This is crazy, dude. You can come up, around, get that shot. Ooh. Ooh. Here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. This is a long flight. Whew. Richie's right here. See what he's looking at. See what Richie's looking at. Yeah, we're just cruising, man. We've been doing a lot of flying. I mean, we got so much content. Judge me, don't judge me, whatever. But we got a lot of content, a lot of videos, a lot of flights, and we just been chilling, man. Nothing too crazy. I just like chilling, you know, because it's in my name. How about like something like this? Oh, it's low. Let's get out of here. We still gotta land. So throttle down. Coming in for a landing. It's all dirt here, so we gotta just chill. Don't get too low when landing here, because you'll be kicking up dust, and some of this dust is magnetic. You know what I'm saying? But we want to get close to where we're going. Get our finger on the trigger. You know what I'm saying? This is a 2x4, I think maybe. Kill it. Boom. 7 minutes, 57 seconds, 25,628 on the RPMs. Barely pulled any amps. And we were giving it some welly there. I don't know if the MOS is correct because it's a 1550, so I'm assuming, I'm not sure. The resting voltage is still, let's see where we're at on it, if we armed it right now. 364. It's at 2186. I mean, and battery 2188, whatever. Pretty good, dude. Minimum link 98%. I mean, we can fly far now. And just to recap, look at that. Beautiful. And he lost his wing. I forgot. Let's go get it. My coffee?
Your valuables?
You know, I got it. I got the DJI. You know what I'm saying? I'm wearing the analog. But there ain't no batteries. We've run out of batteries in America. Oh, We're gonna go out in the field, I guess.
Welcome to Rapidfire.
Shut up. Woo! Wait a minute. Something wrong with this. All the way live from beautiful Southern California, FPV on tonight's show. How to long range practice part 2. 1 mile round trip. Get this jet though. I want to talk about this jet. What's going on here? Who edited this thing? Yes, get that jet. No. Go. Yeah, now. Get it. Oh, uh-oh. Come on. Oh, yeah. Dude, that looks good. Who freaking's flying that? This is my video? That's tight. Man, if you're still watching, I appreciate you. Just know that. Put HOLAFAM in the comment if you stay till the end. If you want to see something like this, let me know. Otherwise, I'm just keep